So I'm currently in SM North to catch Get Ready With Me is collaboration with But First Coffee. So yeah, and may gusto din akong shade ng lip mask doon, which is gonna be my first time. Lip kit. 10 hour yung kinuha ko kasi gusto ko ng matapang na coffee. At the same time, gusto ko yung color nitong Maui. This is the lip contour in the shade Chocolate and ito yung Maui na lip mask. Masarap yung golden hour fan. Gusto ko yung balance ng coffee and milk. Hindi rin siya super matamis kasi I think because of the ice din. Pero I think if yung ibang flavors yung kinuha ko, baka mas matamis siya. Kasi ito matapang talaga yung coffee niya. Kita mo yung coffee talaga kung gano'n karami.
BFC's Greater Cup Bundle X Get Ready With Me Slip Kit is available on select stores only, so you can head on to their Instagram page and see the branches.